Okay, so in this video, I will discuss about a problem in my account with Alice Blue, and as I can show you, this is my name, and then if I click on holdings, or let me go to this portfolio link, and if I click on holdings, there is no holdings available, and actually I have a holding Mangalam Cement for which I sent an email to Alice Blue support on 25th August at night, after 9 p.m. and I received a response the next day. But before that itself, I had placed my request on their BOT app, which was informed to me, when I called their customer care. And as you can see, this is 26/8. So at 11 a.m. approximately, I have placed this request, and today is 28/8. So 48 hours have passed already, and the form itself says it will take 24 hours to process your request. So the request has been placed, and in fact I checked yesterday with the Alice Blue customer support, and they said that please wait for 48 hours. But as you can see, now 48 hours are over, and still the holdings are not showing up. So this is the problem, and not only that, even the support, I don't know what's the point of sending an email. It says find the link below to submit the POA request, but there is no link. So basically, this email is a waste of time. Even if somebody receives this email, he or she will have to call their customer support and on their phone, and the customer support person will supposed to waste his time or spend his time, I hope, to tell the customer that click on this site. And when I called the customer care, I was told that do I have AnyDesk? And when I asked why, they said that okay, because we can log into your machine, and basically, so I am not that computer kind of. I am computer savvy, so I asked them tell me the link, tell me the website name, and I got the website name, and I entered the details, and I clicked on this accept request. So this is a bit of a hidden thing actually. So why this is hidden, I don't know, because the BOT app, if you search on Google, I think I did this recording a few days back, Alice Blue back office. Let me see if today also the same problem is there or not. So if you search for Alice Blue back office, which is where you can see your DMAT holdings, funds, and if you click on this login back office, same error. So basically, the Google result which are being shown for their back office, they don't work, and their email doesn't tell what is the link on the BOT app or BOT, what they call app. I mean, it's an online web application actually. I don't understand what kind of customer support is this. And just for my record, a couple of days back, I recorded another video, which I have not uploaded on YouTube, but this one I probably will, and I will share it with their customer support people. So let us see if they do anything about it, and even if they don't, at least the other people who are facing the same problem, because when I did a Google search on this topic, I found that there were several people who were complaining that they have purchased holdings, but they are unable to see their holdings in the web application. So if you cannot see your holdings, how can you sell them? That's a huge risk, because if the price comes down, or even if price goes up, you want to sell it and you cannot sell it. So that's a huge risk for the customer. So that's the reason I wanted to record this video. So thanks for watching.